Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I will be demonstrating a very popular Goan dessert called Alle Belle. It is coconut and Goan palm jaggery stuffed pancakes which I usually had with a hot cup of tea in the evening. To make Alle Belles you have to prepare the pancake batter and the stuffing. So first I will start with the pancake batter. To make this, take a bowl. Add refined flour, salt, egg, and make a thin pancake batter by adding milk in it. You can add more milk depending on the consistency of the batter. In a vessel, add jaggery, grated coconut and 30 ml water and cook on a low flame. Cook till all mixture comes together. Add cardamon powder. Leave this mixture aside. Grease the pan with 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. Pour some batter in it. Cook for 1 minute and remove it in a plate. Take the pancake and put 2 tablespoons of stuffing in the center. Roll from one side. Overlap the side on the first fold. Roll again till you reach the end of the pancake. Enjoy with hot cup of tea. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon as well. And if you have any questions and suggestions, you all can comment below. Till then, I will see you all next time in my next video.